society, we totally ignore some of the important topics in our day-to-day life, and ignorance of such leads to an acceptance by that avoidance and acceptance. Hello everyone, I'm Basair Khan. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic which is your sexual assault in the times of the COVID-19. Now, one of the recent report of the United Nations Women has revealed that the COVID-19 crisis has intensified the growth of gender discrimination and gender inequality as it has impacted the girls and women at a large scale. And across the countries, there has been a stiff increase in the number of calls to the helpline numbers and police station. And in India, also a rise of more than twice cases of sexual assault and domestic violence has been recorded during this national lockdown. Now, there are certain incidences in the part of India wherein we can see the rise of the sexual assault cases and your domestic violence cases and other violences as well. Now, in one of the state where a man started beating his female colleague in order wherein the women asked him to wear a mask to follow this COVID-19 norm. And the report also stated that this in the month of the April last year, where the Haryana has recorded around 66 rapes, 142 cases of molestation, 176 cases of your dowry and abuse, and in the same period, the Punjab recorded a surge of 50% cases in your domestic violence and the sexual assault. And according to the data of your National Commission for Women, for this domestic violence and the other cases have reached to the 10-year high in COVID-19 during this lockdown period. Now, what is the reason behind of this increase in these cases during this lockdown? As due to this increase in the unemployability and your deprivation of from your income and there are many other factors which leads to the increase. Now, these data which I have just talked about, which can be also underrated, wherein one of the reports stated that the 80% around the people don't talk about all this domestic violence and don't report about this. Now, around the 70% women don't talk to anyone about this, and 80% of the women don't report that domestic violence is. Now, what is the reason behind of not reporting of these cases? As the fear of more harassment, lack of support from the family, relatives and other members, social stigma and other deprivation of the opportunities. Now, this COVID-19 has not only increased your domestic violence and the sexual assault cases. There has been a number of steps that need to be taken into consideration in order to curb this. Now, there are in many countries they have started innovative strategies in order to curb this domestic violence, sexual assault and other violences. In the France and the Spain, wherein the women survivors of the violations have relied on the court words to seek help in order to get reported about these cases, and United States launched a digital service toolkit to provide information to the survivors of the violence. And also in India, the National Commission for the Women has also started up with your separate WhatsApp number to provide help for the victim of your domestic violence and other sexual assault and other cases. Now, if you are a victim of this domestic violence or sexual assault, then you should consider the following steps. Don't hesitate to report to the police station. Tell a friend or relative about this. Unless if you're not going to report and talk about all this social stigma will continue to prevalent in this society. We need to take into consideration, as there are many other agencies, NGOs who are working under this process in order to provide help to the victims. Now, if you find someone who is suffering from this violence or other cases with regard to this your sexual assault, you should help them, not take a distance from them. You need to provide information about how they can proceed further, how they can report or lodge FIR in the police station. As we in our society, if we are not going to help them, then these cases which are now increasing twice can be increased 10 times in this country. So in also the laws of India should also be stricter in order to provide more facilities to this your victims, and also the government need to take more initiatives and talk about all this about this your domestic violences cases and etc. And also there is also a need of your development of a proper guidelines of these protocols regarding your standard operating procedure, how the victim can get help from this agencies and other way of getting of lodging of the FIR. Now, these are the various steps which can be taken by the government, and the laws can also be more stricter in order to provide help. And firstly, if the laws in the countries, since we have laws in the countries, we have different laws, standards, protocols in order to provide help. If until and unless if you are not coming forward to help yourself, no one can help you in that purpose.